Oh, it's the 22nd of December, day 22 of our Advent calendar. The Lego 22 Guardians of the Galaxy Advent calendar reveal and build. That's a long title. 22. Oh, I think this is going to be part of yesterday's build. So yesterday we built this. I assumed it was incomplete and that we would get additional builds or additional pieces to go on somewhere in the last couple of days. All right, let's see, a few pieces here. Okay, we've got what looks like to be a bit of a wing. That's one piece. Where are we going? Two pieces. Three pieces. And that goes on this somehow. Four pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's one side. Now the other side, so there's going to be 16 in total. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. I'm going to suggest that that goes on here, like that. It becomes a bit of some form of transportation. There is a piece here at the back, which I think maybe tomorrow there'll be another build which attaches to that. I have a feeling, yes, up here. That's what I saw on the box. So that's the first piece that we did yesterday. Did the wings today, and I'm assuming have this piece to do tomorrow. So that's what I'm looking at, is my guess for day 23. But today's day 22. This is the build, part of the build, so the wings. There we go. That's the build for today. 16 pieces, so the number count was up for this compared to the other days, but it does make part of a larger piece. All right, thanks for joining me. Hopefully you join me tomorrow. Bye for now.